Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab house at home. Gather tools and materials before starting and measure twice. Sketch a simple plan with entrance, ventilation, and drainage. Cut panels to size and pre-drill screw holes for easier assembly. Seal all joints with waterproof adhesive and paint for longevity. Add a removable roof for cleaning and a ramp to help crabs enter safely and comfortably. Start by collecting quality materials so the structure lasts and stays safe for crabs. Choose cedar or marine plywood to resist moisture without chemicals. Use silicone sealant at seams and non-toxic paint to protect wood. Prepare tools like a drill, saw, clamps, and sanding paper for clean cuts and tight fits. Measure and label each piece to speed assembly and reduce mistakes during construction. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: keep a reliable bottle nearby like the Owala water bottle for long builds and sweaty projects. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold. I find it handy when sanding or painting to avoid spills and stay focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by cutting the base and walls precisely and test fit before fastening. Secure walls to the base using screws and waterproof glue to prevent gaps. Drill ventilation holes high on the walls to maintain airflow without drafts. Attach a hinged or removable roof so you can access the interior for cleaning and monitoring. Finish by sanding edges, sealing joints, and painting the exterior with non-toxic waterproof paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.